So your most amount wins is very similar to the quickest time, except it ranks them in order of the highest score rather than with the quickest time. It's obviously the lowest score is the best because it's the quickest. So with all my spreadsheets, you need to go File, make a copy, unless you're using the Excel version. Call it whatever you want. And let's just say, for example, the kids in this class are trying to knock over a target with a robot, and many targets as they can in a minute. So I'm going to call my spreadsheet target. I'm going to paste in a class list. I've got a little class list here. I'm just going to copy that, and we're going to paste values so you get the same format. Okay, so there's my class list, and there's 21 kids, and they're all going to see if we can get a time, or not a time, but a number of targets. It could be like baskets in a hoop. It could be even scores in a math test. It could be anything you like. So you could, if the way I've used it is, if I had like 10 targets on a table that a robot had to knock over in 60 seconds, how many can they knock over in 1 minute? So one kid might knock over 3, another kid might knock over 4, another kid might knock over 2, and then 5, and then 6, and then 8, whatever. And it ranks them according to the higher their number, the better their ranking. So you could use it for maths tests and things. So you got 67% and 43% and 78%, 90%, and so forth. It will rank the kids' test scores for you, so you can see who's got the best grade in the class at a glance. So hopefully that's useful to you, and like all my spreadsheets, just you can make as many copies as you like for yourself, but please don't distribute them. Encourage your friends to buy them off me on eBay via Robot Man on eBay. So good luck with that, and check out my other videos to see how cool my other spreadsheets are. This one's a pretty simple one compared to a couple of others, but it's still very, very, very useful.